The English Teacher YouTube channel, videos for success in English 103 and English 104. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the English Teacher YouTube channel. I'm here with a quick video to walk you through the second section of the research proposal, where you are expected to write largely at least one paragraph or more on the research tools and methods that you've been using to put together your ideas and get those ideas ready for the proposal, and then finally moving into the annotated bib. When we look at that section, what's expected of you is how you'll go about finding information, what resources you might use, including the library resources, what internet resources might you use, what are some of the search terms, and what are two potential sources that you're thinking about using for this part of the research process, which is largely the research proposal. So if I click out of here and I go to procon.org, so you'll notice that up here in the address bar, procon.org provides us with tons of pros and cons of controversial issues, which are perfect for being able to understand different sides of the debate. That could potentially help you with the first part of the proposal as well, being able to understand if you pick one of these, you'll find some very clear-cut sides to these debatable topics. So procon.org could potentially be a resource that you use on the internet. Google, when I click over here to the next tab, Google is also a search engine that you can use in order to find ideas for papers, search particular topics, so don't forget to mention Google in that section. Library resources are also essential in order for us to be successful at this paper and at the research proposal. So you'll notice I'm signed into the SMC Wired page. And you can click over here on the library catalog and use the library catalog, which looks like this. When you go into the library catalog, you'll notice that we have subject guides up here in the left-hand corner. When you scroll down, you'll notice that we have a current and controversial issues area of the library catalog. So you can click on those and look at the databases as well as some websites, which you'll notice procon.org, one of those. Then some of those databases that might be useful to you are actually on the library resources as well. If we scroll down, you'll notice that we have the Points of View Reference Center. And when I click on that, this is what it looks like. And the Points of View Reference Center largely provided us with controversial issues as well. And we use this as one of the databases here at SMC. So you can incorporate that database into your research tools and methods section. So make sure that you view that video about the sample research proposal to see what you want to include in there in that section. But ultimately, this should help you get through the research tools and methods section as long as you're getting some of that information in there that we just talked about in the video. You're looking at particular search terms, and you're also remembering how to summarize two potential sources, and you want those two sources to be the frame of the debate, meaning you want them to be the two sides of the debate. All right, so if you have any questions, again, always feel free to reach out to your instructor. That's what they're there for. Other than that, take care, guys.